What do you say they look like?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CHA Racing. I've been kind of useless, I'm not even gonna lie, at trying to record the whole process of doing this wrap. Never did wrap, so it was kind of like my mind and concentration was more on that than trying to record. So sometimes we set up the camera and just do it on a time lapse while we just kept working. But we did what we could, and this is the final product. So we did like the drip and everything. This is, I mean, we still have to go through and do this black as well as the lower grill as well. But we had a bunch of color left over, so it's kind of like a fade from the purple, the blue, etc. all the way on, come down to the back, and then down the back window as well. I thought about it. Actually, I didn't even tell you about this. I want to take this off.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's way too red. Well, first off, it's not even the same red
It's not the same red, that's obvious.
at all. But I feel like it's a little too much red.
Yeah.
So I'd like to put something here, but I don't know. Like, the windows are kind of dark, but I want them to be like, I want them to be darker than this.
Right.
So I would love to just close them off. Like, whatever window I don't have to have like showing, I just want it black.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're definitely not professionals, and this is over a time period of like, if we went straight at it, what would you say?
Probably like 4 working days.
So like,
Or
okay,
working evenings, I should say.
yeah, that sounds about right. This is about four days or so of us actually doing it straight, but we obviously had time between because of like work and all that stuff. But I think it's all right. I think it's kind of cool. I think it's unique.
It's definitely interesting. I mean, I like looking at it. Driving, it's different. It was weird.
Yeah.
I mean, it was funny. It was definitely funny.
Yeah.
But it's loud.
Yeah. I don't know. The looks I get are not always the greatest. People usually look at me like, what the fuck? Like, but it is what it is. But we're going to insert the clip of like the time lapse of us doing this. Like I said, we're not professionals by any means. I don't have any input. I'm not going to give any tips or tricks or anything like that because we tried. right, so now we're gonna start the motor mounts, and it's still kind of warm because I just drove it about 45 minutes or so. But we'll try to get there. We have the main motor mount on the passenger side. This one is quite expensive. That one you couldn't even get it aftermarket for it. It had to come from Honda. Apparently they had an aftermarket one, but it wasn't any good. Like we did before in the previous video, the front motor mount, I guess they call it, that one went bad again because we thought it was that one, but it's actually that one, and then I got the trans mount as well. And I was told that if one goes, they all go. So I believe there's one back here as well. So if we get up under it and we see it, we'll just pick that one up because that one's local to us anyway.
That ass boy.
Wait.
Huh?
Damn, son, that is pretty bad.
Mm-hmm. That whole case, that whole plastic, or this pops off.
Yeah, this is
I accidentally ripped it off.
Yeah. Dude, it's like...
Yeah, the thing's done. Oh shit, yeah, that was super done.
That's bad. All right, do it again.
All right. Oh, here you go.
My God, son. It's not even connected on the bottom anymore.
Oh no, it's shot.
God,
I actually don't know
it's
why it's
split.
holding together.
Right there.
Yeah.
Boys, but you can see a little shaft. That's actually, they say it's hydraulic.
Or hydraulic, or it's gas, or yeah, it's gas filled.
This one moves like slightly,
All right.
but nothing like that.
Yeah, let's see the difference, right?
All right, well, that's both those mounts. This is the actual OEM Honda one, and apparently a lot of the guys that have fits say that this is the best one to get to replace it. So yeah, we'll be sticking that bad boy back in there. I like that spear right there on the end. All right.
Yeah, I know.
Take it fishing or something.
Actually, it wasn't that hard to get out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I had to move things around.
So you just move the AC hose.
Yeah,
and...
move this AC hose.
Nice. And then that other one's stupid simple to get off, so that won't take us long. And then apparently there's a back one though, so maybe I'll just slide up under there and see. But rocks.